Ever since the incident from 50 years ago, we at Blackwood Studios have never been able to financially recover. So then we have decided to make major changes to our company, such as changing the main characters from Cooking with Woody to appeal to a younger audience. We've also strictly changed our rules. No weapons allowed in the studio building. No abusing actors/actresses. Violence is strictly prohibited in the studio ground. And now that you know our rules, let's get started on the studio building itself. As you can see, we provide our camera crew with high-tech, top-quality cameras, shining hunting lights, and a fantastic modernized kitchen set. And our old viewers are probably wondering, what happened to the old characters? We will say the following. Kermit does not exist. Viddy does not exist. Kermit does not exist. He does not exist. He does not exist. He does not exist. He does not